Hello my lovely people, welcome to my channel. My name is Janet. Today's workout is only 10 minutes long and it's all standing. We're focusing on toning up those abs and arms. The movement today in the video is actually 1 minute long, but there will be a beep at the 10 seconds mark in case you need a rest or need to shake out some body parts or your arms because it does get a little bit burny. If you like these types of video where it's all toning or it's all standing, please let me know in the comments below, liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Now let's find that bit of space, team, and let's get started.
Alright team, let's start warming up the body. Have your feet a little bit apart, wider than your shoulders, and starting to warm up through your abs. Hands go behind the head, squat down a little bit, and then we're starting to lean that body side to side using your waistline to activate. Hands reaching down towards the shins or maybe the knees, depending how warm you're feeling or your mobility today. And just make sure there's a little bend. Obviously, the lower you bend, the easier it is to reach those hands down towards the shins or ankles. But if your knees are feeling a little bit uncomfortable, stay a little bit higher. Exhale to reach to the side. Inhale, come back into the middle. Always in Pilates on the exertion, so when you're working the muscles harder, that's when you breathe out, and then you breathe in when you start to relax a little bit. Just leaning side to side. Good. Alright, we're going for that extra minute. Remember, anytime you need to break in that 10 seconds, you can. Otherwise, it's holding for a minute today. Alright, we're going to lean to that right side. Arm comes up, knee comes in. So obviously you'll see on the bottom part of your screen around 10 seconds mark, you'll see the next move. If you want to preempt, this one works on your balance as well. So the opposite right arm is pulling in as your left knee comes in towards your body, crunching in through the abs. And the toes are just a light touch to the ground on the left side. A little bit of load coming into your right leg. That's why we keep it bent. Keep your joints safe, but it also starts to work on your stabilizers. Important to work on your balance and keep that activation. Alright, 10 more seconds to go. If you want to take a break, you can. Otherwise, keep going. And then you see the next move coming up is a left knee lift. Arms out to the side for balance. Still balancing on your right leg, but your body's not tilted anymore. Level 2s, you're keeping that left foot off the ground the whole time. Knee comes into the chest. So level 1, you're just touching the toes down if you need to, especially if you're just working on the balance. And you're quite new to sort of improving your balance. Make sure you touch the toes down. Those of you who are quite good at balancing, try to bring that knee up a little bit higher now to about hip level. Or even past higher than that if you want to. Arms are just to the side there I have for balance. You can always pop the hands onto the hips if you don't want to hold the arms out nice and long. Alright, 10 more seconds here. And then the next move is just the same oblique crunch, but leaning to the left side. Alright, let's lean into that left leg. Right knee comes in, left arm pulls down, toes just a light touch to the floor. Again, your left leg is bending slightly. Balancing is tricky sometimes if you lose concentration. Happens to everybody. Especially if you think too much sometimes, your balance is also a bit off or you're a bit scattered, maybe you've had a busy day. It can also affect your balance. Foot strength is another thing that will help improve your balance if you do more exercises without shoes on, which is all my Pilates classes and yoga classes. It will also help better with that foot strengthening there. Alright, we've got 10 more seconds to go and then we're moving into that right knee lift up, arms out to the side. Here's your next move coming up. Good, holding the arms up in the air and lifting that knee up. Remember level 2s, you're going to keep that right leg up the whole time. I generally like to flex my toes in towards my shins rather than just having the foot dangling, so that my whole leg is activated. Knees coming up to about hip level or a little bit past it if that is suitable. Depends on how your hips are feeling, if they're quite mobile, or maybe you've got a bit of injuries, then just take it a little bit lower. All the moves are low impact, so all safe for the knees to do. And also balancing will help stabilize and get that knee nice and healthy, building muscles around it. All right, we've got 10 more seconds to go, team. All right, so we're going to do the twist and knee up on the next move, as you can see on the screen at the bottom there. All right, so we're going to squat, twist, twist, knee in. 1, 2, 3, knee in. So twist to the right, twist to the left, twist to the right, and then left knee comes in. So you always bring that knee into the side that you're twisting out to. I do 3 twists into the center, so that will work my waist. And then I bring my knee up towards my elbow to the side that I finished twisting on. So you're just alternating side to side. Just 3 twists, knee up. 3 twists, knee up. This one requires just a little bit of coordination. Feel free to slow down the video or maybe repeat it and watch it for a little bit and then start to move with me. Got another 10 seconds to try, or you can have a break if you need to. All right, we're moving into a bit of arm work next. As you can see, nice and simple. All right, standing nice and tall, arms into cactus, and we're just extending one arm up and down. When I bend my elbows, try not to have your elbows lower than your shoulder height because it rests too long. And since you're not holding any weights today, you want to keep the activation going with your arms the whole time. Tough just holding the arms up above the shoulders or a little bit higher, which is why we do it, because it builds up that shoulder stability and builds up that strength there. And also as you're standing, pull your belly button in, keep your posture. Really good to avoid hunching over and keeping your posture strong. All right, 10 more seconds, team. Arms lifting up above the head there. And then we're coming into that next move, as you can see in the corner, coming into diamond lifts. So hands together, open out, bring it together. So we're going to meet the hands together up above the head and then sweep it out. Again, when I sweep out to the side, my arms stay shoulder height or maybe a little bit even higher. Out, in, lift, out, in together, lift, out. Hands together, lift up high. So as you're lifting, they're getting closer like a Christmas tree or a star, up above, and then sweep open. Together to lift. All right, and then we go further away from each other with the hands, fingertips nice and strong, because it helps with your arm strength and lengthening of the muscles there. 10 more seconds here to go. Oh, the next move is quite simple, and then we're almost there. Sweeping forward, arms stay horizontal, sweep forward, turn the hands to sweep back. Without rocking the body, pull the stomach strong so you don't move the torso as your arms move. I see a lot of people in class swinging backwards and forward uncontrollably in their body because they're relaxed through their core. So you're going to keep your tummy switched on and keep still and just isolate only the movement into the arms. Pilates, always we keep that area that's not moving still and stable so that you can focus in on those little muscles that you're working at right now, which is all through the shoulders and arms. Pull back, pull forward, open up through the chest. Helps your back muscles at the same time as working your arms. All right, we're going to got one more exercise to go, which are lovely circled. Just in case you can't feel the arms burning yet, let's do it. Arms out straight and then circle forward and back. fingertips nice and extended. Think about lengthening from the shoulders all the way out to the fingertips. At about the halfway mark, we are going to just reverse the circles, forward and back. All right, let's reverse it. The last 30 seconds here. And then we'll just do a quick stretch. Round and round, going backwards and forwards now. If you started the other direction, don't worry. You're just going to stop and then just reverse the circles the other way that you are going. Hope you can feel it in your arms now. A little bit of a burning sensation, maybe a bit of twinge. As long as it doesn't hurt the joints and it's a gradual sort of discomfort coming through, then you are working your muscles, which is great. And release it, taking the right arm across the chest, head looking the opposite direction, lengthening your shoulders, and then shake it out a little bit and swap to the other side. I hope you have enjoyed these abs and arms all standing workout. Push that left arm up, right arm up, and then left arm up. If you have, please like the video, subscribe, and let me know if you want to see anything else. This is just lengthening through both arms, linking the hands, lift the chest, chin goes up, shoulders relax down, and then link the hands, push forward, tuck the chin in, round out the back a little bit. Perfect, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.